Have you ever wondered why your energy feels stuck? Like something powerful inside you is waiting to be released? That's your sexual energy. And if you learn to master it, it can transform every part of your life. Your confidence, your focus, your peace. In part one, we talked about how Yantra Yoga can help awaken this energy. Now in part two, we go deeper. Let's start with awareness. Your sexual energy is creative energy. It's not just for pleasure, it's for creating ideas, building your future, and unlocking your highest self. When you hold that energy inside without wasting it, you become magnetic, focused, strong. This is not about suppression, it's about redirection. Yantra Yoga helps you do that with powerful breathing, visualizations, and posture. Here's a simple practice. Sit in stillness. Close your eyes. Inhale deeply through the nose, feeling your energy build at the base of your spine. Now, as you exhale, visualize that energy rising upward through each chakra like a golden light. Imagine it moving from red at the root to violet at the crown. Feel it fuel your mind, your heart, your intuition. Add this to your routine, even just 5 minutes a day. You'll feel stronger, more focused, and more connected to yourself. This practice also helps protect your energy. It builds a strong inner core where you don't get drained by others and you stop leaking your power through stress or distraction. Yantra Yoga aligns your physical body and your energy body so you stay in control. And the more you stay connected to this energy, the more creative, confident, and calm you become. So ask yourself, what would your life look like if you fully mastered your energy? If you stopped wasting it and started using it? This is your time to rise, to focus, to transform. Let's keep growing.